Hello everyone, this is a demonstration video for my vending machine simulation project. This project is created using C++ and I use SQLite3 database to store information about item details and the collected money from the user as well as the change money to return to the user. My project has two modes. The first one is the user mode, and as a user you can purchase an item by choosing with a unique code, and also you can make payments using different denominations like 100 baht or 20 baht or 10 baht, etc. Also you can see that if the vending machine is out of stock for more than 50% of the products, it's not going to work. It's going to stop automatically. Also, it's going to stop if the change box is empty or the collection box is full. And as an admin, you can manage the stocks like adding a new item or refilling the existing item quantity. You can also manage the point box, like you can check or collect all the money from the collection box and the change box. Now let me briefly explain about the code structure. Firstly, we have this main file that's going to allow you to choose between user or admin mode. And we have these header files like user, admin, as well as this database controller header file. And all the core functionalities for the user are implemented in this user header file within this user class. And all the functionalities for the admin are implemented in this admin class, in this admin header file. Also, the functions to interact directly with the SQLite3 database are implemented in this database controller class within this database controller header file. And finally, we have this utils header file that is for some helper functions to validate user input. Now I'm going to run my project. Let me compile it first. By the way, in our project folder, there is no database file because our project is going to create that database file automatically and create some tables as well as populate some data when we run our program. Now I'm going to run the program. Alright, the database is created because we don't have a database yet in the first place. Now you see these options here. You can choose between user and admin mode, or you can also exit. Now I'm going to enter as a user first, so I'm going to type 1, and you can see all the product lists that you can buy, and you can also see the ID numbers here, and you can also see the price. So just for demonstration, I'm going to buy Coke, which is number 1, and you see your selected item here. The name is Coke and the price is 30 baht. Now I'm going to pay using a variety of denominations. Let's say I'm going to pay by 50 baht. And you can see the message that you can only insert between 120, 10 or 1 baht. You cannot pay with 50 baht. So I'm going to choose another denomination. Let's say I'm going to give 20 baht. And the program knows that you give 20 baht and you have 10 more baht to pay. But I don't want to pay 10 baht yet. I only want to pay 5 baht. Now you see the message that you have 5 more bahts to pay. And now I'm going to pay 5 baht. Alright, you successfully purchased Coke and you receive no change because you give exactly 30 baht. Now I'm going to buy another product. Let's say Oreo cookies, which is number 8. And its price is 9 baht. So I'm going to give 10 baht. If I give 10 baht, I have to receive 1 baht as a change, right? You can see that you successfully purchase Oreo cookies and you get a total change of 1 baht. By the way, these data are already saved to the database file when you're running the program. I'm going to buy another item, which is chocolate milk, which is 7. And I'm going to give 100 baht notes. And you can see that the money collection box is full, so you can no longer make another transaction and you can get back your refund, which is 45 baht. Now I'm going to enter the admin mode, which is option 2. And as an admin, you can do a lot of things. You can view the list of all the items, which is option 7. And you can see all the items, including the quantities. And I'm going to add a new item, number 1. And you can enter the product name. I'm gonna type Nick, and unit price is 29, and the quantity is, let's say, 25. And you can see that a new item added successfully message. And if you view the item list again by typing number 7, you can see that with the ID number 9, a new item is already added here. I can also refill a stock. Let's say I'm going to refill Coke. Now Coke is its quantity is only 29. I'm going to refill it by 1, and I'm going to add the quantity to number 1, and you can see that stock refill successfully message. And if you check the product list again, its quantity is 30 now. You can also check the change box as well as the collection box. And currently in our change box, we got some only a few coins. And if I check the change box by typing number 3, you can see that you have only 679 baht in the change box. And you can also collect, you can also refill the change box by typing number 5. And you can see the message here, change box is successfully refilled. And if you check the change box again, you have 4,080 baht in the change box now. You can also collect the money from the collection box. I'm gonna check you first. You have 355 baht in the collection box. That is the money you get from the user. And I'm going to collect it as an admin by typing 6. And you have collected 355 baht from the collection box. And if you check the collection box again, you can see that there is 0 baht in the collection box now. Alright, I'm going to exit the program by typing 8 and exit again by typing number 3. Okay, this is the demonstration video for my vending machine project, and thanks for watching.